Okay, so I'm going to do an iron-on today of Batman, and I want to do something a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I want to use Batman. I'm going to change the lettering to Batman Forever, which is a free font. Let's do this one. Okay. And I'm going to change it to white so you can see what I'm going to do. And then what I want to do is just drag this over here. And I want to have that cut out, like a cutout image. So I'm going to go ahead and slice it. And then when you drag it away, it'll be there. So let's go ahead and delete these two. Okay, so and I'm going to put this on a blue shirt. So I want the white to actually be white in the background and not see the blue. So I'm going to go ahead and do a shape and do a circle. And go ahead and let's make this white too, since I'm going to want it to be white. Okay, and then I just want to drag it and create the shape that I'm going to need. And so right there. So this will actually go over, let's see if I send this to the front, this will be the white in the background since it'll be on the blue shirt. So let's just make this a little bit smaller. And that's perfect. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make it. And we're going to have to mirror this. And we'll go ahead and turn this on. We're going to go ahead and hit continue. And we're going to do, it's an HTV vinyl that I have. So we're going to do the Iron-On HTV, which is here. And then we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to load the mat. Okay, so I'm going to print the white first. So the shiny side goes down. And we have to make sure that the mirror image is on, which it is. Okay. And go ahead. Okay, next we'll take the white off and save the tip for the next. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and get the black and face down. And then we want to make sure that the mirror image is on. And let's go ahead and just turn that on because it wasn't. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and get it going. Okay, and now we're going to take this off the mat. Okay, so I weeded the first one and now we need to weed the Batman as well. And obviously you do it on the other end, not the shiny side. And I just kind of pull it up and make like a little cut and pull it up. Okay, and then I'm going to get this as well. Okay, so I'll go ahead and weed it and show you when I'm done. Okay, so I put some cardstock right here in between the shirt, so when I iron on, it doesn't stick to the other side. And went ahead and we're just gonna go over it really quick and get it a little warm. And I'm using the Easy Press, and it's at 330. So first we're gonna put the white image down. Okay, and I just kind of eyeball it. That works for me. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the Teflon over it, and then we're going to go ahead and push down for like 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, so I just did 15 seconds and it came right off. And now I'm going to lay the Batman over it. And we're gonna go ahead and do like 20 seconds. If you enjoyed my video, if you did, if you would give it a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.